One of the biggest signs that you are closer than you've ever been to your dreams, your goals, that you are on purpose, in purpose, is when all hell breaks loose in your life. It's like, yo, God, right now, I don't need this. I don't need the drama. I don't need the delay. I don't need the setbacks. I don't need this pain. I don't need this hurt. One thing I learned about God is that He allows failure to get you out of the familiar. You can only do the uncommon when you get into uncharted territory. And so He breaks you out of the comfort zone. Because it's a zone, right? You like it. It feels good. It pays you good. It loves you good. And sometimes God has to break you and reshape you so you can become what He desires you to be. You don't get to greatness by being comfortable. Discomfort is the language of growth. And what you're going through right now is growing pains. But the issue is you keep fighting it, thinking that the process is punishment, when reality is developing your power, your strength, your clarity, and your know-how. Stay in the process.